The Philips Hue Calla Pathway Light offers a versatile lighting solution with its ability to display 16 million colors, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. This smart light integrates seamlessly with the Hue Bridge, enabling you to control your outdoor lighting from anywhere in the world using the app or voice commands. Designed for outdoor use, the Calla Pathway Light is fully weatherproof and has undergone rigorous testing to ensure it withstands various environmental conditions. Installation is incredibly straightforward with the plug-and-play design, requiring no professional help and making it accessible for any homeowner. The light's compatibility with voice assistants, such as Alexa and Google Assistant, adds an extra layer of convenience for hands-free operation. Transform your outdoor space for any holiday or event with this flexible lighting solution. From festive reds and greens for Christmas to a spooky purple glow for Halloween,